What is the purpose of the if name main statement in Python? Let's understand with example. Let's say you have a Python script named example.py with the following content. Now, if you run example.py directly, it will execute the code inside the if name main block and print addition result and subtraction result. However, if you import example.py as a module into another Python script, the code inside the if name main block will not execute. In this case, only the add function will be imported and can be used, while the code inside the if name main block in example.py will not run. So, the if name main statement in Python is used to control the execution of particular code within a script. When it is run as the main program directly, it will work. And when it is imported as a module into another script, it will not run. It is particularly useful when you have test code in a script that you don't want to run when the script is imported elsewhere.
If you found the video valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest uploads and never miss out on new content that can benefit you.